Hi everyone, I am Sachin Sharma and I am Senior Test Consultant in United Health Group. So today I'm going to talk about most important but highly ignored topic from Scrum, that is sprint goal. Uh, the title of my talk would be The Role of a Goal. Well, we all understand, we accept, and we are pretty much cognizant about the important role of the goal in our life, in any sports that we play, in any project or any assignment that we do, or for that matter, in any sprint that we are working on. And despite of understanding the significance of the goal, we do not give that importance to sprint goal, right? Why? So I really want you to think why we do not give importance, because it's gonna be very short video in 3 to 4 minutes. I cannot talk about why we do not give importance. Rather, I would talk about why we should give importance to sprint goal. So my goal in next 3 to 4 minutes is to talk about what, why, and how of the sprint goal. So first of all, what is goal? So I cannot give you the dictionary definition of goal, but what we understand from goal is something that we want to achieve, right? It's a desired result that we envision, that we plan, that we commit to achieve, and that's what goal is, right? As a team or as a person, we want to do it. Now, if you know that this is what goal is, and it helps you to uh, set up your direction, whether your efforts are moving. I mean, if you know where you want to reach and you can somehow determine where you are, then you know what is the difference of that, or what is the gap between where you want to be and where you are. And if you know that gap and the right direction, you are the winner, right? So that's why these goals are there. Now, why sprint goal should be there? I'll give you only three reason of why it should be the sprint goals. First and foremost is very important and very. I mean, this is what you call a critical uh, thing to understand, and then you will always follow it, because Scrum Guide says that. I mean, Scrum Guide is the Bible for all the Scrum practitioners, right? In November 2020, Jeff and Ken Schwaber, they did some amendment and they came up with a new version of Scrum Guide, which is now 14 pages. In 14 pages, also you see sprint goal 40 times. I mean, goal word 40 times. And in Scrum Guide, it is clearly mentioned. Understand this line: sprint goal is the single objective of a sprint. Can you imagine? It's a single objective, and people do not even talk about sprint goals. They talk about user story, task, subtask, planning, story point, burn down. They don't talk about sprint goal, which is a single objective as per Scrum Guide. It's very important to have your sprint goal. That's one. Second is, well, this is related to project management. So people who are part of project management trainings, or they understand project management, they know there's a concept called cone of uncertainty. Now, what is in short cone of uncertainty is when you start anything, any activity or any project, the uncertainty is higher at the beginning. You do not know lots of things. That's uncertainty. And then as long you start working on the project, you start working on the things become they start becoming certain, and then at the end you have pretty much certainty. So the cone shape is there, which is the cone of uncertainty. Still, even though it is a cone, there is one thing which is most uncertain, and at any stage of your project, which is your human capital. The human mind is most uncertain thing that you can anytime you can deal with. And to manage that uncertainty, you should have goal. Why? I mean, the mindset that your team is working in, you do not know what your team is working right now. They are trying to finish their task, or they are trying to complete their task. There's a difference between finish and complete. What is going on in their mind when they are working on your project, right? What do you think why Virat Kohli and Mahendra Singh Dhoni, they spend this 10-15 minutes every match, or even every inning, they talk with their team? They always make them passionate. They make them inspired with their goal, what they have to achieve. Every leader, product owner, or scrum master, they have to talk about their sprint goal in front of their team, to get their all the energies that they have to motivate them, that this is the goal of the sprint which we have to achieve. Well, I know most of the testers are watching this. Why don't we have testing goals? So let's say 80% of in sprint automation is something that we have to achieve in next 3 sprints. That's goal of my sprint, right? Let's have that goal and always try to evaluate whether you are moving in right direction or not. Second point. So first is because Scrum Guide says that. Second is you have to manage the uncertainty, and third is it's clearly mentioned that a person or a team having a goal with they are working in is a successful person or a team. As long as you have goal, if success is something that you want to achieve, then goal is something that will help you. Okay, and goal is you can achieve goal with the vehicle of plan, right? And sprint planning is that vehicle, and the plan in which you believe and upon which you put vigorous effort. If you don't do, there is no second route to achieve the success. So if you want to be successful team, you should always work on your goals first. And how you will get the goal. So setting a goal is the most simplest, easiest, or you call the most. I would say it's funny. It's fun-loving things. People try to set their goals, and they feel happy when they set up their goals. So it's most easy thing. I mean, set up anything. So you have your company's vision. You have MOM, mission of your month. MOM, mission of month. Take that mission of month, align it with your goal, and call it your sprint goal. Again, there is no thumb rule. I mean, if you have your backlogs, take your backlogs, work on it, and try to find out something which is from your definition of done, from your uh, things that you have in your acceptance criteria. Get something from there and formulate one goal and tell your team that this is our sprint goal. So make your goal that way, and then guide your people's effort to achieve that goal. The problem, I know I talked about, you have to think on why we are not using sprint goal and why we are not giving too much importance to it. I still want you to think, but one point I'll tell you what is the real problem is. The real problem is this 16-hour Scrum Masters, this 2 days CSM people, they really do not understand that daily stand up, sprint planning, retrospective, review, all things are there, but sprint goal is the key of the success. Like I said, it's mentioned that it is the single objective. So they do not give importance to that thing. And most of the people are not doing it. That's why nobody is doing it. The problem is, वसीम बरेलवी says that हर शख्स दौड़ता है यहाँ भीड़ की तरफ, फिर ये भी चाहता है कि उसे रास्ता मिले. I mean, everybody is following same thing and they expect that they should get something different. No, you will not get it. You have to understand that you really need not to do different thing. You actually need to do things differently. Do Scrum, but do it little different. I mean, understand the Scrum guide, and understand the value of everything that is mentioned there. Goal are really very important aspect of anything that you are doing in Scrum. I do not have too much time to talk on it, but I really want to tell you at the end that you start uh, analyzing your goals, start perceiving those things, start believing in your goal, have faith that okay, this is something that we have to do and we'll reach there. And by this inspiration and motivation, try to accomplish those goals, and your team will be the happiest team in the world. So, with the 3 words, if you tell me, if you ask me to complete my talk or end it, I would say for the sprint goal, perceive, believe, and achieve. Thank you so much.